Materials now move toward transformation.
Destination confirmed.
The Yamaha motorcycle manufacturing facility stands before you. Know that transformation waits inside.
Precision begins before unloading.
Environment control begins.
Transport yields to handling.
The door opens to reveal the latest shipment of Yamaha R6 raw materials. The contents are revealed again.
Quality never pauses.
Logistics hands off to production.
Raw material officially enters the factory system. This hall organizes every Yamaha R6 heavy bike component from the first moment.
Traceability begins before processing.
The Yamaha R6 heavy bike materials, including frame metals, engine block alloys, and composite fairing sheets, are kept separate. Order replaces randomness. Weight handling demands balance.
Stability protects precision.
The engine material zone is utilized to prevent contamination, ensuring the integrity of these Yamaha R6 engine blocks upon entry.
Surface integrity is critical.
The process begins long before assembly. Here, the electrical systems are carefully organized and stored.
Documentation confirms reality.
Defects are identified and removed early in the production process.
Approval unlocks movement. The Yamaha R6 materials are cleared for the next stage of production.
Flow is restored.
Approved pallets queue briefly in the Yamaha R6 heavy bike material buffer zone. This timing ensures that demand is always balanced.
Signaling transport readiness. As the team mobilizes, production draws closer.
Preparation is complete. The moment raw materials meet the fabrication floor, transformation begins.
Raw material now meets precision tooling.
Accuracy begins with automation. Positioning defines the outcome.
Material is shaped, not forced.
Heat control preserves integrity.
Form has now emerged.
Power demands stronger foundations. Performance begins inside unseen spaces. Here, precision is verified, not merely assumed. Every measurement confirms the quality of these machined parts.
With the parts secured and verified on the labeled transfer racks, the approved status allows these critical Yamaha R6 components to progress to the assembly line.
Safety and finish go together. Cleanliness prepares for bonding.
Moisture must be entirely eradicated for optimal paint adhesion and corrosion prevention.
This process ensures that machines double-check machines, guaranteeing dimensional accuracy down to the micron level.
Finished Yamaha R6 components are meticulously sorted into dedicated racks for the frame, engine, and suspension, ensuring that order prepares assembly.
Individual parts are ready to become a machine.
Assembly begins where precision meets sequence.
Geometry is fixed before fastening begins.
Consistency is welded into every joint. Strength is built bead by bead. Patience preserves alignment. Automated systems ensure speed and consistency, but ultimately, human eyes must validate the machine work, guaranteeing flawless execution. Structure is now complete.
The heart approaches the body. Balance governs installation. Force is measured, not guessed.
Firmness. The Yamaha R6 heavy bike swing arm is positioned at the rear of the frame. As bearings slide into housings and pivot bolts align,
Comfort and control are engineered together.
Inflow inspection of the Yamaha R6 front fork assemblies. Seals are checked and tubes wiped clean. This is crucial, as the front end guides confidence. Straight lines start here. The steering response must be immediate. As we turn the handlebars lock to lock, we're checking for any hesitation or roughness in the bearings. The motorcycle now stands on its own.
Structure gives way to function. Function is installed after form. As the primary wiring harness is routed along the frame channels, we ensure that signals follow disciplined paths.
Reliability is secured one connection at a time.
Power must be isolated and protected.
Intelligence joins mechanics.
These Yamaha R6 fuel lines are routed along the frame spine. Clamps secure the lines away from heat sources, ensuring flow remains uninterrupted.
Containment precedes supply.
With the alignment pegs seated, the mounting bolts are tightened. As we've discussed, balance defines the placement of this fuel tank. Response begins at intake.
As the fasteners secure, exhaust flow must exit without resistance.
Hangers tighten and vibration mounts engage, fully supporting the exhaust along the frame. This integration allows sound and structure to share space seamlessly. Temperature control protects power.
Cooling governs endurance.
Stopping power depends on integrity.
Brake and clutch hydraulic systems on the Yamaha R6 heavy bike are prepared for bleeding. As reservoirs are opened and tools staged,
The machine awakens.
The systems now require tuning.
Precision must now be tuned.
As the interface connects, the data reveals readiness across all critical systems of the Yamaha R6.
Intelligence is synchronized.
Throttle response on the Yamaha R6 heavy bike is calibrated through controlled input cycles. As the grip
Balance begins at rest.
Efficiency is programmed, not accidental. Protection responds automatically. Hydraulic pressure is applied to the Yamaha R6 brake system for verification. As the gauges rise and hold steady, the stopping force must remain constant.
Safety systems are confirmed before motion.
To measure the suspension sag on the Yamaha R6, we apply a controlled load. This is crucial because handling truly begins with balance.
Straight travel is engineered.
Gear engagement on the Yamaha R6 heavy bike is tested through sequential shifts. The selector movement remains crisp and controlled.
Motion requires discipline.
The final scan of all electronic safety systems is complete. All systems are operational. Redundancy protects the rider.
calibration data save complete. Yamaha R6 heavy bike. Final calibration data logged. Configuration is now permanent.
Tuning is complete. Next stop, final detailing. Refinement begins after precision.
Cleanliness reveals true finish.
Finish quality is judged by the eye.
Clarity enhances presence.
The alignment and adhesion of the factory decals are critical. As you can see, the branding must sit perfectly flush with the fairing.
Tools click softly at set limits, while security remains essential even at the end. Brake and clutch levers on the Yamaha R6 heavy bike are actuated repeatedly to confirm smooth travel. Return remains consistent. Visibility must never fail. Communication systems are simple but vital.
The motion remains smooth and silent, demonstrating that rolling resistance is minimal.
Brake drag confirmation. As you can see, the wheels continue rotating unhindered. Freedom of movement is verified.
Preservation matters beyond the factory. The final wipe down is crucial. It's the attention to these small details that completes the image and ensures a uniform finish.
We look closely at every detail because approval doesn't just come from a checklist, it comes from experience. This Yamaha R6 is certified ready.
The detailing approval entry for the Yamaha R6 heavy bike is now complete. Finishing is officially certified in the system.
Delivery preparation begins.
Phase transition hold complete. The Yamaha R6 heavy bike is ready for release.
Final logistics take control. The accessory kits, including the performance exhaust, racing levers, and frame sliders, are secured, ensuring every component travels together.
Ownership begins with records.
The VIN plate is scanned and cross-checked digitally. Identity is now verified before departure.
Power is secured for transit.
The Yamaha R6 fuel level is adjusted to transport specification. The indicators settle at the marked range, as safety dictates the quantity. Temporary clamps secure movement, ensuring stability, protects alignment during transport.
The mirror fold and protection system ensures your visibility components are completely shielded from damage during transport or storage.
As you can see, the tension is set precisely and the balance is maintained.
Our breathable protective wrap settles smoothly without pressure points. The continuous airflow actively prevents moisture buildup beneath the surface.
Rolling is now restrained.
Alignment complete. The anchor points match perfectly, demonstrating that even in shipping, geometry matters most.
Continue tensioning the straps until the suspension is compressed. As you can see, all movement is now eliminated.
The suspension compression check confirms the limits have been met, demonstrating that the load balance is preserved.
Approval precedes motion.
Yamaha R6 dispatch clearance confirmed. The bike is cleared to leave the factory premises. Documentation complete.
The hydraulic lift engages, ensuring that the vertical transfer keeps the motorcycle's balance perfectly intact. The movement is slow, deliberate, and monitored.
With the clamps engaged and the safety pins locked, this redundant securing system guarantees stability even in turbulence. Vibration control preserves factory condition. Performing the final strap recheck. Ratchets are confirmed silent, and we verify that movement tolerance is 0.
The bike is now sealed for travel.
Traceability follows the bike beyond the factory.
The factoring's responsibility is formally complete. The journey shifts from production to ownership. This is how precision engineering leaves the line and enters the world.